Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to switch bands? Start by confirming your wireless adapter actually supports 5 GHz. Open Device Manager or check the adapter model online. If it lists 5 GHz or 802. 11 AC/AX, proceed. Next, download the latest driver from the maker on another device if needed and copy it over. Make sure you know the 5 GHz SSID and password and have router access if the network is hidden. Once done, you'll install or update the driver and prepare Windows or your OS to prefer the 5 GHz band. You now install the driver and reboot. After restart, open Network Settings or Control Panel Wi-Fi Adapter Properties. In Advanced Adapter Settings, set preferred band or band to 5 GHz if available, and adjust roaming aggressiveness to avoid falling back to 2. 4. Higher aggressiveness favors stronger 5 GHz signals. Next, forget or remove the 2. 4 GHz SSID from saved networks so your device won't auto-join it. Then scan. Select the 5 GHz SSID, enter the password, and connect so the adapter negotiates the new band. Once connected, verify you're on 5 GHz by checking adapter status or using a Wi-Fi Analyzer app. It should show the 5 GHz frequency or channel. If you don't see 5 GHz, make sure your router is broadcasting 5 GHz on a non-DFS channel and the signal reaches your device. Move closer or change channels. If issues persist, roll back or reinstall the driver, update router firmware, and reboot both devices. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable 4 GHz on the router to force a 5 GHz connection for testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.